Water expands when it freezes. Unlike most substances, water expands when it freezes, which is why ice floats on water. Earth's atmosphere protects us. The Earth's atmosphere protects us from meteoroids, most of which burn up before they can strike the surface. Plants release oxygen. Through photosynthesis, plants convert carbon dioxide into oxygen, which is essential for most life forms on Earth. The speed of light. Light travels at a speed of approximately 299,792 kilometers per second, 186,282 miles per second, in a vacuum. The human brain is powerful. The human brain has about 86 billion neurons, making it one of the most complex structures known in the universe. Gravity keeps us grounded. Gravity is the force that keeps planets in orbit around the Sun and makes objects fall to the ground on Earth. DNA is a blueprint. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, contains the instructions for building and maintaining living organisms. Earth's core is as hot as the Sun. The temperature of Earth's inner core can reach up to 5,700 degrees Celsius, 10,300 degrees Fahrenheit, similar to the surface of the Sun. Jupiter is a giant. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of about 143,000 kilometers, 88,850 miles. Ants are strong. An ant can carry objects 50 times its own body weight, making them one of the strongest creatures relative to their size. Water is a universal solvent. Water can dissolve more substances than any other liquid, making it crucial for life. The Sun is a star. The Sun is a medium-sized star located in the Milky Way galaxy, and it provides the energy necessary for life on Earth. The Moon affects tides. The gravitational pull of the Moon causes the Earth's tides, influencing the rise and fall of sea levels. Atoms are mostly empty space. Atoms, the building blocks of matter, are 99.9999999% empty space, with a tiny nucleus and electrons orbiting it. Bacteria are everywhere. There are more bacteria in a human mouth than there are people on Earth. Sound travels faster in water. Sound travels about 4.3 times faster in water than in air due to the density of water molecules. Trees communicate underground. Trees can communicate with each other through a network of fungi in the soil, often referred to as the Wood Wide Web. The universe is expanding. The universe has been expanding since the Big Bang, and it continues to expand at an accelerating rate. The human body contains trillions of cells. The average human body is composed of approximately 37.2 trillion cells, each performing various functions essential for life. Light takes time to reach us. The light from the Sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth, traveling 149.6 million kilometers, 93 million miles. Electric eels generate electricity. Electric eels can produce electric shocks of up to 600 volts, which they use to hunt and defend themselves. The largest living organism. The largest living organism on Earth is a fungus in Oregon's Malheur National Forest, covering an area of over 2,385 acres. The ocean contains most of Earth's oxygen. About 70% of the oxygen in Earth's atmosphere is produced by marine plants, primarily phytoplankton. Saturn's rings are mostly ice. Saturn's rings are composed mainly of ice particles, with some dust and rock mixed in. Polar bears have black skin. Under their white fur, polar bears have black skin, which helps them absorb and retain heat from the sun. Some metals are liquid at room temperature. Mercury is a metal that is liquid at room temperature, making it unique among metals. The human eye can detect millions of colors. The human eye can distinguish approximately 10 million different colors, thanks to the cones in our retinas. Giraffes have the same number of neck bones as humans. Despite their long necks, giraffes have the same number of cervical vertebrae, 7, as humans. The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of Earth's oxygen. Often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, the Amazon rainforest plays a crucial role in producing oxygen. Your stomach acid can dissolve metal. The hydrochloric acid in your stomach is strong enough to dissolve small pieces of metal. Sharks have been around for millions of years. Sharks have existed for over 400 million years, predating the dinosaurs. Chameleons change color for communication. Chameleons primarily change color to communicate with other chameleons and to regulate their body temperature, not just for camouflage. A blue whale's heart is the size of a car. The heart of a blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, can weigh up to 600 kilograms, 1,300 pounds, and is roughly the size of a small car. The Earth is not a perfect sphere. The Earth is an oblate spheroid, meaning it is slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator due to its rotation. Diamonds can form in space. Diamonds are not only formed deep within the Earth but can also form in space under certain conditions, like in the atmospheres of some planets. Black holes are so massive that their gravity warps space and time around them. This warping can cause time to slow down near the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can escape. In the quantum world, particles like electrons can exist in multiple states simultaneously, a concept known as superposition. The human brain is made up of around 86 billion neurons, which communicate with each other through synapses. Our solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago from a giant cloud of gas and dust. Species evolve over time through a process called natural selection, where individuals with traits that are better suited to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce.